Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 8th class Mathematics exercise 1. Already in previous class in part 1 I have explained the introduction of rational numbers. Now I am starting the exercise 1.1. Let's see the question number 1. Here question number 1 is, name the property involved in the following examples. Okay. Here some properties are given. By seeing that properties, we have to identify that problem is which identity, which property. Simple. Yeah. First bit, 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5 is equal to 0 plus identity. Okay. This is the form of identity, additive identity. First bit. How? Last class, in previous class, I explained all properties with examples. Just watch that video, you will understand. Okay, na? This concept. You can understand easily this style, these properties. Next, question number 2. 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2. It is in the form of distributive property, that is distributive law. Okay. Next, third bit, 3 by 7 into 1 is equal to 3 by 7. Yes, why? Because 3 ones are your denominator, nothing is there, means 1. Product of numerators is equal to product of denominators. Now you can multiply numerators and denominators. 3 ones are 3, denominators 7 ones are 7 is equal to 1 into 3 by 7. Yeah, here also same answer will get. Answer is 3 by 7. Therefore, in between which symbol is there clearly? Symbol is multiplication symbol. Therefore, this is multiplicative identity. Next, coming to fourth problem. Here also multiplication symbol is there. Minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Yes. If you multiply any number with 1, we will get that number only. Therefore, minus 2 by 5 into 1 is equal to, answer is minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 into minus 2 5 also same answer will get. So you take any number, multiply with 1, same that number only will get. Example, 100 into 1 100, 3 into 1 3. Therefore here multiplication symbol is there, that is multiplicative identity. Next, coming to question number 5, that is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by. Yes, if you solve this one, you will get answer same, both are same, right? Now first number, second number, second number, first number, both the answers are same. If you simplify, you will get answer same answer. Therefore, this is commutative law of addition. Why? Because in middle which symbol is there, plus symbol is there. That is addition means plus symbol. Next, sixth one, 5 by 2 into 3 by 7. You multiply 5 3s are 15. Denominator is 2 7s are 14. This is it is in the form of closure law in multiplication. Next, seventh one, 7a plus minus 7a. Okay, plus into minus minus, plus 7a minus 7a, cancel, answer is 0. Therefore, this is additive inverse. Eighth one, x into 1 by x. Yeah, you can cancel x, get cancel, answer is 1. Hence proved. It is in the form of multiplicative inverse. Next, ninth one, 2 into x plus 2 into 6 is equal to, you can observe here clearly, you can take 2 is common, take 2 common. Now left number is in first bit, left number is x plus right as it is. And second bit, left number is 6. No, x plus 6. Therefore, it is in the form of distributive property. This is question number 1, students. Simple. Previous class, all properties are there. Just read all properties and remember all formulas. You can solve this type of problems. Right, let's see the question number 2. Okay, students. Here question number 2. Here question number 2 is, write the following additive and multiplicative inverse of the questions. Yeah. So, okay. Here total 5 bits are there. 5 bits are given. 5 questions are given. And each and every question, here we have to write the additive inverse and the multiplicative inverse. Okay? Right. Simple. First one is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. How to write additive inverse? Simple. Just change the sign. If plus symbol is there, means take minus symbol. If minus symbol is there, means put plus symbol. If plus symbol is there, means try to change a minus symbol. Here minus 3 by 5 is there. Minus means minus opposite is plus. Now here in additive inverse, I am changing a minus 3 by 5 to plus 3 by 5. This is plus 3 by 5. Now multiplicative inverse means quotient is minus 3 by 5. Minus side as it is. Multiplicative inverse means exactly we have to write opposite. Now numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Now my 3 it goes to denominator and 5 is denominator, it goes to numerator. That is the multiplicative inverse. Similarly, second bit, that is 1. Here plus 1 is their quotient. In plus 1, here we have to write the additive inverse of plus 1. Additive inverse of plus 1 is, here plus symbol is there. Here I am changing plus symbol to minus. Now additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. Next multiplicative inverse is 1 by 1. Means 1 only you will get answer, that is 1. No, 0. Question is 0, third bit 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Now multiplicative inverse is, there is no multiplicative inverse for 0. Why? Because 0 divided 0 is no value. 0 has no value, right? Denominator also nothing. Therefore there is no multiplicative inverse for 0. Now similarly fourth beta 7 by 9. Beside 7 by 9 symbol is not given, means clearly that is plus 7 by 9. Plus 7 by 9. Here I am finding the additive inverse of 7 by 9. Plus 7 by 9 additive inverse is minus 7 by 9. No, multiplicative inverse. 7 by 9 denominator now it goes to numerator, numerator goes to denominator. This is exactly vice versa reverse. 7 by reverse is 9 by 7. That is a multiplicative inverse. Next, fifth one, that is minus 1. Additive inverse of minus 1 is, minus symbol is there. I am changing an additive inverse. Minus changes to plus 1. Multiplicative inverse 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Same, numerator 1 and denominator also 1. Therefore answer is minus 1. This is the question number 2, students. Let's see the question number 3. Okay students, here question number 3 is filling the blanks. Okay, here in between some blanks are there. We have to fill that blanks. Your first bit is minus 1 by 17 plus dash is equal to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. Okay, now LHS RHS is equal to the center one. Left side is LHS, one value is there, RHS two values are there. Now LHS one side is one blank, that is you can observe clearly by seeing RHS right hand side value which way number is missing. Right, here minus 1 by 17 already there. The left number is minus 12 by 5 is the left missing number. Write that one, simple. Next second bit is minus 2 by 3 plus dash 2 by 3. Get minus 2 by 3 plus dash is given, blank. Final answer is 2 by 3 is question only given. Okay, which number I should select here, which number I should put. But if example, if I take any number, if I substitute any number, if you add this number, first number to that number, you should get middle term, final answer is 2 by 3. Okay, here I have taken example 4 by 3. Here both the denominators are same. First one is minus 2 by 3 plus blank one I have taken 4 by 3. Both the denominators 3 same. Therefore numerator part I am in middle which symbol is there, plus symbol. I should add here. But one number is minus, one number is plus. Minus into plus is nothing but minus. Now 4 minus 2, 2. Yes, 2 divided by denominator part 3 is I am writing same as it is. Therefore I got answer is 2 by 3. Therefore here my final number is 4 by 3. If I take example 4 by 3 in blank place, if I add to first number, I got answer is 2 by 3. Okay, this is the way of selecting the blank number. Okay, right. 1 into dash is equal to 9 by 11. 1 into dash blank is given. The final answer is 9 by 11. If in what number I should select here, same number. If you take example, take any number, multiply with that number, you get a same number. Means example 3 into 1 answer is 3, 100 into 1 answer is 100, 1000 into 1 answer is 1000. Same. RHS already answer is there, that is 9 by 11. If you multiply that final 9 by 11 with 1, you will get answer is 9 by 11. Therefore answer is 9 by 11. Here fourth one is minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 is equal to minus 12 plus 5 by 6 over. Therefore one more number is missing, that number is in LHS you can observe clearly, that is missing number is 6 by 7. In place of blank the right answer is 6 by 7. Next question number 5. In dash into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. Here RHS 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, two numbers are there. Missing letter is 3 by 4. Therefore, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. Okay. Next question number 6. Minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 16 by 7. Okay. Minus 16 by 7 is blank is equal to same answer I should get. Which number I should select? If example multiply with 1, same answer, same number you will get. But if in place of 1 substitute 0, example put 0, you will get answer same, minus 16 by 7. Okay. Right. This is the question number 3, students. Now let's see the question number 4. Okay, students. Now question number 4 is multiply 2 by level by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. From question number 4 onwards, problems are there. Now 1, 2, 3 are the properties and fill in the blanks and etc. Now question number 4 onwards very very important, and this question is very very important. Simple. Let's see the solution. The question is multiply 2 by level by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Right. First, reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal is nothing but a interchanging of numerator and denominator. Example, take 3 by 2. Interchanging of numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now, first multiply 2 by level by the reciprocal of minus 4. Here first step I am writing the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. The numerator is minus 5 and denominator is 14. Here I am changing numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. That is nothing but reciprocal, students. No. 14 by minus symbol as it is 14 by 5. This is a reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is minus 14 by 5. Next, the product of multiply both are same, student. The product of 2 by level. Here one number is given. Multiply 2 by level. Now that number is multiplication or product or both are same. You can take in place of product multiplication multiply also. The product of 2 by level in question only is given by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is minus 14 by 5. Okay. That number and the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. That are two numbers. What we have to do? Multiplication. Product is nothing but we should multiply into minus 14 by 5. Now multiply. What is the answer? Into symbol. Yeah, whenever you will get a multiplication symbols in a fractional part, what you have to do? Simple, students, remember this point is very very important. Right. In fractional part, whenever you get the multiplication cases, just to multiply numerator separate and denominator separate. Example, in first fractional part, numerator is 2 and second fractional part, numerator is minus 14. Now multiply numerators first. 14 to the 28, minus symbol is there, put minus as it is, divided by minus 28 divided by, your denominator part is first denominator is first fractional part, first denominator is 11 and the second fractional part of second denominator is 5. Now multiply level 5 is 55. This is the final solution, students. Okay. Next question number 5. Right. Question number 5, students. Which properties can be used in computing 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. Okay. This question also depending on property, students. Just watch first introduction of rational numbers first video. Yeah, you will understand clearly properties of this question. Okay, na? Yeah. This question satisfies this so on properties. First one is multiplicative associated property is satisfied. Next, multiplicative inverse also satisfying, and multiplicative identity also satisfying, and closure with addition. These 4 properties are depending on this question, student. These 4 properties are satisfying our question. Okay, na? Simple. These properties. This question is told depending on the properties concept. And previous class in first part 1 introduction of rational numbers. I explained all properties clearly. Just to watch that video, you can understand easily. Okay, na, students. Let's see the question number 6. Yeah. Question number 6 students, that is verify the following. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. This question is very important students. This type of questions you will get exam point of view. Final exam in SA1s, in FAS, all exams you will get this type of question students. Very important this question. Let's see the question answer. Let's see the solution. Here is equal to symbol is there. One is LHS, one is RHS. Two parts are there. First take LHS part. LHS full form is left hand side. Here left hand is equal to the center one. This is my left hand side. That one is right hand side. Take LHS. So first one is, first part is 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay students, this is my LHS part. Now here I am simplifying. Always try to simplify bracket terms values. Here bracket term values, two values are there. Here you can observe clearly these two are fractional part. Whole problem is in terms of fraction part only students. No. Now here I am trying to simplifying fractional part first. Here first denominator is 4, second denominator is 2. Okay na? First students try to simplify symbols first. Symbols are nothing but signs. 5 by 4 plus into minus, minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. First I simplified symbols. Next after that here first denominator is 4, second denominator is 2. Here both the denominators are different. Here two methods are there. You can take LCM or otherwise cross multiplication. Simplest method I am explaining, that is cross multiplication method. Here both the denominators are different. If denominators are different means what you have to do? Remember this point. If denominators are different means here we have to do cross multiplication. That is 5 2s are 10 minus 4 1s are 4 divided by denominator means denominator just multiply. 4 2s are 8. Next third term right as it is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next 10 minus 4 6. 6 by 8. The third number right as it is minus 3 by 2. No. You can simplify, you can cancel. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now here both the denominators again different. What you have to do? Cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12 divided by 4 2s are 8. The final answer is 12 minus 6. Beside 6 nothing is means in numerator part. Plus into minus, minus. Minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 12 minus 6, 6. In this one which number is bigger number? 12 is the bigger one. 12 having its symbol, minus symbol, plus minus symbol divided by 8. Again I am cancelling with the 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Answer is minus 3 by 4. The final answer, first part I got answer is minus 3 4. Similarly try to solve RHS, that is right hand side. 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. This step 1 students, try to simplify first symbols. 5 by 4 right as it is. Now first always try to simplify bracket terms values. Here minus 1 by 2 right as it is. Plus into minus, minus, minus 3 by 2. No. 5 by 4 plus, no, here both the denominators are same, 2 2. In bracket terms values both the denominators are 2. If denominators different means what we have to do? Cross multiplication. If denominators are same means what we have to do? In numerator plus symbol is there means add. If minus symbol is there means subtract. Here clearly in middle minus symbol is there. Means here denominators are both the denominators are same. In middle minus symbol is there. Therefore in numerators here I am subtracting 3 minus 4. Both are having minus. Minus into minus plus. Bigger number is 3. 3 having this symbol, minus symbol. Here I am putting 4 minus 4 divided by 2. Cancel with the 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Answer is 5 by 4 plus into minus, minus 2 by 1. Again here both the denominators, first denominator is 4, second denominator is 1. Here both the denominators are different. If both the denominators are different means what we have to do? Cross multiplication. 5 1s are 5 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 4 1s are 4. Here beside find nothing is there means take plus, no, plus into minus, minus, minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 8 minus 5, 3. In this one, which number is bigger number? 8. 8 having which symbol? Minus. Put minus symbol. Minus 3 by 4. Now you can observe clearly. LHS answer is minus 3 by 4. RHS answer is minus 3 by 4. Therefore, both the answers are same. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Our problem is verified. Okay, students. This is a way of proving LHS and RHS problems. Okay. This is a way of finding method. Okay, na? Right. Let's see the question number 7. Okay, students. Here question number 7 is evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. Here simple students, in this case first your fractional parts are there, total 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. First write the denominator parts, same numbers, fractional parts write one side. Now after rearrangement, here question is first 3 by 5 write, the denominator is 5, one more denominator 5 is there, that is minus 2 by 5 because here I am changing right place. Next step we will simplify symbols. Next 3, both the denominators 5 fractional parts I wrote one side. Next one more is plus 7 by 3 there, right, 7 by 3. Next similarly plus minus 2 by 3, one more denominator part is 2 by 3, right. Now simplify first symbols. 3 by 5 plus into minus plus 7 by 3 again plus into minus 2 by 3. Now you can observe clearly both the denominators are same. Remember students, this point is very important. If denominators are different, means in numerator depending on middle symbol, your middle minus symbol is there. If denominator is different means in between minus symbol is there. Therefore subtract numerator part. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Denominator part write as it is 1 by 5 plus, here both the denominators are different. Here numerator what we have to do? Subtraction. Why? Because in middle minus symbol is there, clearly I am saying. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. Denominator part write as it is 3. Now here first fractional part is 1 by 5, first rational number. Second rational number is 5 by 3. Here both the rational numbers, 2 rational numbers are there. Here both the denominator parts are different. First denominator part is 5, second denominator part is 3. Both the denominators are different. If denominator is different means here what we have to do? Simple. That is cross multiplication. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 1s are 3 by 5 3s are 15. The final answer is 25 plus 3 28. 28 divided by 15. Yeah, this is the solution, students. Hey students, question number 8 is subtract. First bit is subtract means what we have to do? Minus 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. From means నుండి, అంటే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ నుంచి అంటే ఈ నెంబర్ సెకండ్ నెంబర్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ తీసేయాలి. We have to subtract from second number to first number. Solution, first write first number, that is 1 by 3. Subtract means subtraction symbol 3 by 4. Now simplify 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. First check denominators. First rational number, here 2 rational numbers are there. Here first fractional part denominator is 3 and second denominator is 4. Here both the denominators are different. If denominator is different means what we have to do? Cross multiplication. No, 3 3s are 9 minus 4 1s are 4 by 3 4s are 12. Answer is 9 minus 4. Because here beside 9 nothing is there, means plus. Take plus symbol. 4 having this symbol, minus symbol, plus into minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. In this one, which number is bigger number? 9 is the bigger. 9 having this symbol, plus divided by 12. Now similarly, second one solution. Second number, write first next subtraction symbol. First number is minus 32 by 13. First simplify symbols, minus into minus plus 32 by 13. Here first number, first integer part, first rational number, denominator nothing is there, means take 1. You can observe clearly both the denominators are different. If denominators are different means what we have to do? Cross multiplication, students. 13 to the 26 plus 1 into 32, 32, 32 ones are 32. 1 into 13, 30. 30 plus 20, 50. 56 plus 2, 58 divided by 30. Next, third solution. Similarly, same. First write second number, that is minus 4 by 7. Subtraction symbol means subtract symbol, put a minus symbol. Second number is minus 7. First try to simplify. Minus symbols, minus into minus plus. The denominator nothing is means 1. Then you can observe clearly third bit also. Both the denominators are different. If denominators is different means what we have to do? Cross multiplication. 7 7s are 49. Next 4 ones are 4. The minus symbol is minus, right? 7 ones are 7. 49 plus into minus, minus 49 minus 4, 45. 45 divided by 7. This is the 8th question, students. Next, let's see the question number 9. Yeah. Question number 9, students. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? Simple, students. What number? If example, what number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? What number means that number we don't know. Assume first let the number is equal to assume x. Why? Because what number? That number we don't know. We have to find that number itself. Okay, na? Let the number is equal to assume x. Let the number is equal to x. In place of what number? Put x should be added. Added means plus symbol minus 5 by 8. So as to get means final answer is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Here I want to find a number. That number is nothing but x. I want to find x value. No. Only I want to find x value. Remaining numbers I am shifting to RHS. RHS means right hand side is equal to right side. The plus minus 5 by 8 symbol is there. Minus 5 by 8 term is I am shifting to RHS. Minus changes to plus here is equal to minus 3 by 2. This minus 5 by 8 I am changing to RHS. Minus changes to now plus 5 by 8. Okay. Now you can observe clearly, students. Both the denominators are different. If denominator is different means numerator is what we have to do? Cross multiplication. 8 3s are 24 minus 24, 2 5s are 10 divided by 2 8s are 16. Now x is equal to 24 minus minus into plus, minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 24 minus 10 14. 14 is nothing but a bigger number having minus symbol, put minus symbol. Minus 14 divided by 16. Cancel with this. 2 table 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. X value is minus 7 by 8. Your conclusion is therefore minus 7 by 8. In place of what number should? In place of that number, write a final answer. That number I got minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8 should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2. Okay. This is a 9th solution, students. Next, let's see the question number 10. Yeah. Question number 10 is next question. Question number 10, students. That is sum of two rational numbers is 8. Sum of two rational numbers. Sum means addition of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is given, that number is minus 5 by 8. Find the other. Other number is nothing but second number. We don't know second number. We have to find the second number. First assume let the second number is equal to x, students. No, sum of the two rational numbers. One rational number is minus 5 by 6. Sum means addition. Second number we don't know. Assume x. In place of second number I am taking x. Is equal to what answer? Minus 5 by is equal to the sum of two rational numbers answer is 8. Now here I want to find a second number, that is other number. I want to find x value. Remaining numbers I am shifting to RHS. Here minus 5 by 6 is left number. I am shifting to RHS. Minus 5 by 6 changes to plus 5 by 6. 8 plus 5 by 6. Here denominator nothing is that means 1. Now x is equal to, denominator is different means what we have to do? Cross multiplication. 6 8s are 48 plus 5 1s are 5 plus 6 1s are 6. 6 is equal to 48 plus 5 53. 53 by 6. This is x value, students. Therefore second number or other number is equal to second number or other number is equal to, what is the number? 53 by 6. 53 by 6. Okay, this is we are finding a second number, students. This problem also very very important. This type of problems they will ask continuously in exam point of view. Put 3 stars or 2 stars question, students. Okay. Next, let's see the question number 11. Yeah, question number 11, students. Yeah, question number 11 is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Associative in rational numbers. Is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Explain with an example. Explain with an example. Solution, students. Now, simple, students. Here question is asking, is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Explain with an example. Therefore, answer, correct answer in writing, students. Here no need to explain the example. Why? Because already in first class in basics introduction of rational numbers I explained that. You can take that example. Associative property, right? In subtraction I gave one example and that example proving it. Okay, right? Subtraction is not associative in a rational numbers. In associative property, only addition and multiplication only possible, students. Remaining the subtraction and division is not applicable. Okay, this is the answer, students. Next, last question, 12th question. Let's see the 12th question. Yeah. Last question, students. Verify minus of minus x is equal to x. Minus into minus is equal to x. Verify this condition. First bit is x value is given 2 by 15. In place of x, substitute this value, students. First correct solution. First solution. First bit is x is equal to 2 by 15. Now condition is, our condition is minus of minus x is equal to x. Minus right as it is, bracket right as it is, minus right as it is, again place of x. What is the first bit? X value is 2 by 15 is equal to x. Here what we have to prove? X. X means what is x value here? 2 by 15. Right. Minus into minus plus. That is 2 by 15 is equal to 2 by 15. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved, students. Okay. Both the answers I got same answer. Next is similarly second bit is x is equal to minus 13 by 17. First write condition, students. Minus of minus x is equal to x. First minus right as it is, bracket open, again minus right as it is. What is x value? Second x value is minus 13 by 17 is equal to x value is minus 13 by 17. Okay, students, here 3 minus symbols are there. First minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 13 by 17. The RHS answer is minus 13 by 17. You can observe clearly both the answers are same here. Therefore LHS I got same, RHS I got same. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Hence verified. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay. This is question number 12, students. Okay. Now exercise 1.1 completed. That's all for today's class, students. Remaining problems. Exercise 1.2. Next class I will explain, students. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it and share to your friends. Thank you so much. Vivamshi Kumar.